Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This video is about reasons why private company staff exit. Here I have given around 7 reasons, 7 basic and important reasons why some private company staff exit from the companies. Please go through this video from the beginning till the end. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. This is the first reason for the staff to exit from the company, that is better offers they are getting from reputed companies than where they are working now. Also, they might get more salary package, financial incentives from other companies. As far as non-financial incentive is concerned, if they get career advancement, that is better designation than current company, they are likely to leave the company. Better offer in the sense also ideal location or city. They might be working in a remote place or in the place which they don't like. But if they get an opportunity in an ideal location or in a city, they consider it as a better offer and they may quit the present job. This is the second reason why the employees quit from the companies, that is job dissatisfaction, which is related to non-financial incentives. The first reason is job rotation, lack of job rotation or absence of job rotation, which is a systematic movement of employees from one job to another within the company to achieve various HR objectives, human resource objectives, like orienting new employees, training employees, enhancing their career development and preventing job boredom or burnout. Job enrichment is related to a process which is characterized by adding dimensions to the existing jobs they are doing now to make them more motivating. Examples of job enrichment include adding extra tasks, also called job enlargement, increasing skill variety, adding meaning to jobs, creating autonomy and giving feedback. Third reason which comes under this non-financial incentive is career advancement, which is related to job enrichment and job rotation also, is a process by which employees across industries use their skill test, skill sets and determination to achieve new career goals and more challenging job opportunities. Some companies offer career advancement programs that allow the existing employees to move up or grow within the company. Third reason for the employees to quit the job, especially the women employees to quit the job, is sexual harassment at the workplace. Sexual harassment at the workplace is considered violation of women's right to equality, life and liberty. It also creates an insecure and hostile work environment which discourages women employees' participation in work. There are 3 types of harassment which most of the women employees face at the workplace. Number 1 is verbal or written harassment. Number 2 is physical harassment, and number 3 is visual harassment. So it is better for the company to ensure that no employees violate the provisions of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Readdress Act 2013. If they violate, it is punishable under this act, including termination of the service from the company. Another reason is type of leadership followed by the seniors, whether they follow autocratic or democratic or free rein leadership style. Autocratic leadership or authoritarian leadership style is characterized by individual control over all decisions and little inputs from group members. Autocratic leaders typically make choices based on their ideas and judgments and rarely accept advice from their subordinates. In case of democratic leadership, which is also a participatory leadership or shared leadership, is a type of leadership style in which members of the group take a more participative role in the decision making process. This type of leadership can apply to any companies, from private business to schools and to the government also. Free rein leadership, also called laissez-faire, is a type of leadership style in which leaders are hands-off and allow group members to make their own decisions. Managers set only objectives and employees are free to do whatever is appropriate to accomplish those objectives. So superior and subordinate relationship also plays a vital role for the employees to decide whether to continue in the job or to quit from the job. Fourth reason for the employees to quit the job is lack of returns, both financially and non-financially. The employees might be working hard, but they do not get the appreciation or award or recognition either financially and or non-financially. They might quit the job. And favoritism in performance appraisals also is one of the reasons for the employees to quit the job. If they do not get proper appreciation, award or recognition, they might get demotivated and quit the job. Fifth important reason is layoffs, retrenchments and or terminations because of some reasons like automation, which is the process of instructing software and or hardware with network connection to create automated workflows. Press one button and multiple actions follow. Because of this, employees lose their jobs. It is often applied to repetitive tasks that would otherwise require multiple manual actions. Also, as workplace automation goods save the business money by eliminating costly errors and streamlining the process to help employees complete them more effectively. It will definitely allow the company to save money on administrative labor, since repetitive time-consuming tasks will be done automatically. Because of this, some employees lose their jobs. Also, if the company is not able to perform well and is becoming sick, most of the employees will be losing their jobs and they will have no alternative but to quit the job. Company might be performing well, but sometimes the company policies and our HR policies will have the impact on the employees, and some employees might get demotivated by change in company or HR policies, and they will start searching for the jobs. They might quit the jobs. This is the next important reason for which the employees quit their jobs, that is work and life imbalance. An imbalance between the personal life and work life can have serious or adverse effects on the health and well-being of the employees. This imbalance usually occurs when the boundaries between the professional life and personal life are not clearly demarcated and followed with a discipline. Work life balance helps employees of a company to balance their personal and professional lives. It encourages employees to divide their time on the basis on priorities and maintain a balance by devoting time to family, health, vacations, along with making a career and business travel, etc. Some employees who are not able to find out solutions to balance both work and life, they have no alternative but to leave their jobs. Seventh and last reason is due to some personal reasons, employees quit their jobs. For example, some employees might be planning to go for abroad education. They might be working for 1 or 2 years to earn some money and to meet their higher education expenses. They might have worked and have the plan for abroad education and to quit their job. Second is family attention. Some employees, especially women employees after marriage, to take care of their children and or their parents, quit their jobs. Third reason is marriage, which is also applicable to most of the women employees. They might quit the job due to marriage. Fourth one is a relocation of the family members. Main earning members might be relocated from one place to another place. This is applicable to mostly to government employees who are often transferred from one place to another place. So their family members might be forced to quit the job due to relocation of the family. So these are the basic and important reasons for the employees to quit their jobs.